Everyone, today let's continue about science chapter 1 form 4 section A. Okay, so table 1.2 shows the result of an experiment. Type of solute: find salt. Time taken by each solute to dissolve in water 30. Cold salt 65. State the noble value being practiced when recording this result. Okay, so these are the table about result of the experiment. So they're asking noble value. Okay, the first tip I was saying just now is a noble value. The keyword is the noble value, and also produced when recording this result. The word noble value. So what are the noble value have we studied in chapter 1? So the noble value is, okay, so this why you need to do it your own self, and also this noble value you are studying from the chapter 1. So okay, so sometimes it asks on exam, so you need to remember the noble value. Okay, the noble value is, you need to remember, is the answer is honestly and accuracy. Okay, these are the answer. Okay, for the from the table 1.2. So these are the answer for the diagram, for the table, and also the noble value. So these are the answer for the honestly and accurately. So student need to remember. So whenever they asking noble value for the exam, so you need to remember the noble value is honestly and accurately. So student need to remember. So let's go to the next question. Okay, so let's go to the essay question section C. Okay, this essay questions come from the question number 10. So you need to choose which question you want to answer. So they are, okay, in the essay question they have question, they're asking question 11, 10, 11 and 12. So they're asking choose two questions, choose good question. Yep. So question number 10, you need to must answer the question, and the 11 or 12, you need to choose which you want to answer the question. Okay, which you want to answer the question. So student needs to remember question number 12, you must answer the question. 11 or 12, you need to choose which question you want to answer. Okay, let's go to the essay question. Number 1, the time taken for clothes to dry is affected by the surface area of the clothes. You are given 2 wet towels of the same size. Suggest a hypothesis to the above statement. 1 mark. So they're asking a hypothesis. Okay, so how do you want to answer the hypothesis? So okay, you need to know the hypothesis means manipulator whether must be in front and respondent from the back. Okay, that you need to remember. Okay, you need to manipulator must be in front, and RV is in front, RV is back. So you need to remember the hypothesis. So this hypothesis is from the answer is from here. Okay, they're asking the time taken for the clothes to dry is affected by the surface area. So the first thing, manipulator variable is the surface area. The keyword is surface area of the clothes. So the main thing you need, main thing you must take is the surface area. Okay. So surface area, you need to remember the surface area is could be larger or smaller. Okay, student need to know whenever the word surface area, it could be larger or smaller. Okay, smaller. The surface areas could be larger or smaller. Okay, so Okay, so you need to remember they say that the diagram is for the clothes to dry affected. So you need to remember for the clothes it could not be smaller surface. So it's not it could not be smaller because the clothes when it dry it could be when a small surface it cannot be dry the clothes. So could not be smaller. So the answer is then larger. So the answer how do you want to write is the larger of the surface area is okay. So we write the MV ready. So how about RV? The RV is here. The time taken for the clothes to dry is the RV. Okay, the word time taken is referred to RV. So how do you want to write the time taken? So time taken is referred to two things: faster or slower. But I don't think the time taken could not be slower. Okay, I don't think. Okay, so the answer when I say the time taken it could be faster. So you need to remember the words faster from the time taken. So okay, the answer how to write the faster time the faster the time taken. Okay, I'm sorry, okay, the faster will be okay, sorry, the faster will be the time taken for the towel to dry. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, I almost forgot. The time taken for cloth is the to dry is the RV, but you need to add another one. Another word is the towel. Okay, you need to add some more add towel for the RV. Okay, so these are the RV. See the time taken for the towel to dry. So need to cut the time taken for clothes to just replace as a towel for towel to dry. So easy. Okay, so you need to know so these are the answer for the question A. Okay, this answer for the hypothesis. So let's go to the next question. Question number B. Describe an experiment to test your hypothesis in 1A based on the following criteria. A. Aim of the experiment, 1 mark. Identification of variable, 3 mark. So 2 mark. 3. Release of apparatus and material, 1 mark. 4. Procedure or method, 4 marks. 5th, tabulation of data, 1 mark. So these are the question number 2. Okay, so when you look at the marks here, aim of 1, they're asking 1. Identification of variable, 2, you need to answer 2. List of apparatus matrix, you need to answer you can answer 2 and 3, but you get 1 mark. 4th, procedure method, you need to write 4 procedure or method. And 5th, tabulation data, you need to do table, it's a 1 mark. So student need to know. Okay, let's answer this. Okay, describe an experiment to test your hypothesis 1A based on the following criteria. Aim of the experiment. Okay, so let's do number 1. Aim of the experiment. Okay, how do you want to answer? Okay, how do you want to answer? So the way to answer is here like this. The answer is here, to investigate. Okay, to investigate. Okay, the MV is the surface area. Okay, the surface area refer to a size also. Okay, size. So size. So you need to write as the size of the surface area. Okay, and remember the word remember this word affect. Okay, there are the two type of words here, affects. Okay, two type of word. First is the affect and effects. So you need to remember the word affect and effect. There are two types of words used. So, okay, remember this word. To investigate the size of the surface area, affects, take the RV. Okay, affects, time taken. Take from the diagram. Okay, take from the question. Time taken to dry. Take here, see, time taken. Don't take time taken for towel, for clothes to dry. No. So you need to take the time taken to dry the towel. Dry the towel, wet towel. Take the word from here. The time taken to dry wet towels. Okay, full stop. So these are the answer. See, to investigate the size of the surface area affects the time taken to dry wet clothes, wet towels. Wet towels. So you need to remember. Okay, you need to remember the word to investigate. So when I look at the word, the aim of the experiment, you need to remember the to investigate, and another word affects. Number 2, you need to remember the word affects. If we use the word affects, you definitely get 1 mark in the examination. So it's easy. Okay, aim of the experiment. When you see the word aim, you need to remember 2 things: to investigate. How to begin? The word to investigate, then the MV. You investigate the MV and affects RV. Okay, these are the formula. I give the formula here. So when I here, see, look at it. To investigate, MV, affect RV, affects RV. So these are the formula for the aim of the experiment. Aim. So to investigate, MV, affect RV. MV is here. MV is the size of the surface area. Affects RV, the time taken to dry wet towels. So you need to remember the aim. Aim, you need to use to investigate. MV, affects RV. These are the formula for the aim of the experiment. So let's go to the next question, number 2. That's all from me. I hope you will understand the about section C, question number 1, A and B, number 1. So it will be helpful for you. And okay, don't forget, don't miss the next video for the science chapter 1, form 4 exercise part 4. Okay, don't miss it, the video. I hope it will helpful to answer the question, answer the section B, section A and C, for the science chapter 1. So thank you from me.